Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. For today, I'm going to teach you how to generate an API key for ChatGPT, but please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will keep updated if we post new videos. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. You have to go into this site, the platform that openai.com dash overview, and then from your profile you can click that and select view API keys. You can see here if you generated keys, and you can also delete them by clicking this one. To generate API key, you can select create new API and then just type in the name, and then you can now copy this one and click done. So you can also delete the other one, and it's deleted now. Thank you so much guys for watching, and take care.